Hi, Intermediate Algebra. I'm taking questions from the homework. I got a couple yesterday, so let me go over them for you. So we're graphing a parabola here. So the vertex of this, there's nothing inside the x squared. So remember, if there's no parentheses, here, nobody's going to say like, oh, that's 0, right? If it's 0, it just collapses the parentheses. Right, the general form for this is ax minus h squared plus k, right? If there's no h, it's just going to collapse just to be x squared in here. So the vertex is 0, -1. The lead multiplier is positive, which means it's face up, so it's going to be a face up parabola. Okay, so the vertex here is at 0, 1, -1, and it's face up. So you may be able to look at that and just know where the intercepts are, but if not, let's look at it. So for the x-intercepts, you want to let y equal to 0. So you're going to get 1/4 x squared minus 1 equals to 0. Right, so you're going to use the square root method here. You're going to move the 1 to the other side. You're going to get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by 4. And then you're going to get rid of the square by taking the square root. So you have two x-intercepts here at -2 and 2. So remember when I was giving you the analogy about if the number out front is less than 1, remember I was giving the analogy of the bank teller that only puts in like 1/4 of the amount of money you give her, so it takes longer for your bank account to grow? Same idea here. Since this is less than 1, the parabola is going to end up wide because it's having a hard time getting any height. It needs a lot of x. It needs a lot of x to get some height. So what ends up happening is it creates a wide parabola. Okay, so it's a parabola that's shifted down 2 units. The vertex and the y-intercept happen to be the same point here. I'm just going to call it the vertex, but it's also the y-intercept. And you always have to show any intercepts that you have. So then I put up the x-intercepts and I graphed. Okay, gang, hope that helped. This was number 33 and 10.5. Catch you again soon. Bye.